That PID file is a Microsoft Works word processor document, formatted text and basic content from Microsoft's consumer-grade productivity suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these legacy word processing files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality PID file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. PID files are word processor documents from Microsoft Works, a discontinued productivity suite for home users. They contain formatted text page layout settings, headers, footers, and basic embedded objects in a proprietary format, simpler than Microsoft Word's doc format. Microsoft Works PID files use a proprietary binary format, storing styled text paragraph, formatting page margins, and embedded table data. They are distinct from WPS format files and represent an earlier Works document version with limited compatibility outside the Works application. The designated application for the PID file is Microsoft Word from Microsoft Corporation. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows may display the document, but complete editing features require a compatible application. To solve the application association issue, right-click your PID file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Word and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. The right program is out there. When a PID file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this PID error to appear? First, opening the file. Install Microsoft Works from Legacy Media or use LibreOffice, which includes a Works document import filter. Open LibreOffice Writer and use File, then open to browse to your PID file. LibreOffice will attempt to convert and display the document content, with formatting preserved. Next, converting to modern formats. After opening the PID file in LibreOffice, writers save it as docx or PDF using File, then Save As. Select Microsoft Word, 2007-365 format for docx output or PDF for universal sharing. Review the converted document for any formatting inconsistencies after conversion. Finally, alternative methods. If LibreOffice cannot open the PID file, try opening it in a recent version of Microsoft Word, which may include Legacy Works file import capability. As a last resort, use a hex editor to inspect the file or try online document conversion services that support Works formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.